Okay, we need 6 of these, okay, baby? Will you help me?
Yeah.
Okay. 1,
I'll do this.
2,
I'll do this.
3.
Oh no.
You can help me. 4, 5, 6. Great job, Kai. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay. Oh my goodness, you really know how to do a lot of baking stuff, huh? So, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Put the cap on. Can you help me put the cap on?
Yeah.
Good job! You know how? Okay. Yes.